UK economic growth slowed to just over 2% in 2015 as global uncertainties increased. In particular, there have been growing concerns about a slowdown in China and continuing recessions in other large emerging markets like Russia and Brazil. Stock markets were generally weak and volatile around the world in early 2016, and falling commodity prices have hit economies in the Middle East and Africa hard. Close to home, uncertainty around the outcome of the EU referendum in June is another source of turbulence for the UK economy. Overall, however, we still project the UK to grow at a reasonable pace of around 2.2% in 2016, reflecting a balance between negative and positive factors. On the negative side, we have the uncertainties around the global economy and the EU referendum already mentioned. On the positive side, however, we have strong jobs growth, low inflation fueled by low oil prices, and the likelihood that interest rates will remain close to zero for some time to come. All of this should keep UK consumer spending growing at a steady pace this year, helping to protect the UK from the ups and downs of the global economy. UK growth will vary from region to region, however, with London likely to lead the way with growth of around 3% this year, while the Midlands and the North could grow at just over 2%, and Northern Ireland at only around 1.4%. The main factor powering growth across the UK in recent years has been rapid employment growth, taking the unemployment rate down to its lowest level since before the global financial crisis. We have looked in detail at future employment prospects in this report, and we think that these positive trends could continue over the next decade, generating around 3 million new jobs across the UK by 2025. The main drivers of this growth will be business services, where we expect there to be around 1.5 million more jobs by 2025, and health and education, where strong demand could create more than 1 million extra jobs over the next decade. Not all sectors will grow, however, with manufacturing employment projected to fall by a further 600,000 to only around 2 million by 2025 due to continued automation and fierce international competition. But overall, the UK economy should remain a great job-creating machine. To recap, we remain cautiously optimistic about the short-term outlook for the UK economy. There are many global economic uncertainties to navigate around, but the strength of the jobs market and consumer spending gives us confidence that the UK can remain one of the top-performing advanced economies in 2016.